We're in the neutral position. We've relaxed from head to toe. Breathing in, float the head. Breathing out, sigh of relief. Feel the soles of the feet. Continue breathing. Close your eyes and relax your whole body, especially on the exhale. If you don't feel safe with closed eyes, soften your gaze. Enjoy your breathing. Breath is life. It's involuntary, but we can also control it ourselves. And we can shift state using the breath. Enjoy being alive. Let that joy well up inside of you. And blossom out like a blessing to others. And you can also smile on your face to send a signal to the brain.